हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कल इंटर सेकेंड ईयर का पॉलिटिकल साइंस यानी कि सिविक्स का एग्जाम है। सो हियर आई एम विद अ गेस्ट पेपर। 2 गेस्ट पेपर्स है, दोनों में से कोई भी आ सकता है स्टूडेंट्स। उसकी लिंक मैं कमेंट सेक्शन में पिन कर दूंगी, डू चेक इट आउट। सो दिस इज मॉडल पेपर 1। ये पेपर 3 घंटे का होता है एंड फॉर 100 मार्क्स। Let us see section A, which carries 30 marks. Each question carries 10 marks. Any 3 we have to do. Answer any 3 of the following questions in 40 lines each. Explain the salient features of Indian Constitution. Explain the fundamental rights as incorporated in the Indian Constitution. Describe the powers of Prime Minister of India. Describe the composition, powers and functions of the Election Commission of India. Explain the various factors which led to the agitation for a separate Telangana state. Section B in total is for 40 marks. You have to attempt 8 questions. हर question के 5 marks दिए जाएंगे. Explain any 4 causes for the Indian national movement. Write about election of vice president and his powers and functions. Describe the powers and functions of the High Court. Examine the recommendations of Sarkaria Commission. Describe the various anti-corporation laws in India. Describe the main provisions of the 73rd Constitution Amendment Act 1992. What is Model Code of Conduct (MCC)? Explain the provisions of Gentleman's Agreement. What is smart governance? Explain any 2 features of Indian foreign policy. Describe the legislative relations between union and states. Explain the constitution provisions of AP Reorganization Act 2014. सेक्शन सी में आपको 15 क्वेश्चंस अटेम्प्ट करने हैं. ईच क्वेश्चन कैरीज 2 मार्क्स, सो टोटल ऑफ 30 मार्क्स. मेथड्स ऑफ एक्सट्रीमिस्ट. राइट अ ब्रीफ नोट ऑन द सरकारिया कमीशन. Composition of electoral college. Drafting committees. Any 4 fundamental duties. Gram Sabha. Forms of corruption, powers of corruption. Composition of Rajya Sabha. Mulki rules. What is accountability? Assembly Speaker. Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Lokayukta. List the main organs of UNO. What are electoral voting machines? Whistleblowers. Million March. What is BIMSTEC? When is National Voters Day observed? Sakala Janulu Samme. Students, if you think I was able to help you, then don't forget to hype this video and don't forget to contact me on my Telegram ID if you want easy notes. Do check out the playlist that I gave in the comment section and hit the bell icon to get notified for my next upcoming video.